Welcome to the project demonstration of smart sensor interface for industrial wireless sensor network in IoT environment. So here the wireless sensor network is for the LDR light dependent resistor and a gas with a MQ6 and humidity temperature from DHT11 sensor. So these three sensors will provide us the four parameters. So these four parameters directly monitoring on wireless sensor network in Thingspeak cloud storage, and also based on these three sensors inputs we are going to controlling the output modules. Like whenever the darkness is detected, that will be identified by our LDR sensor, and parallelly we are going to controlling the bulb with help of electromagnetic relay, which is a 5 volt operated. And if the gas leakage is detected, then we are going to switch on the exhaust fan along with buzzer. And same manner, if the high humidity detected and if its high temperature is detected, then buzzer will be getting switched on. So the limits for the humidity and temperature are temperature 45 degrees centigrade, humidity 80%. And for the gas, we set the temperature for 300 ppm, that's parts per million. So these are the limitations for the sensors for abnormal conditions. And the whole system driven by the Arduino Uno board by taking the input from the input sensors and controlling the output modules. And here this brown board is a breadboard in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply between the input and output modules. And coming to the individual modules, so this one will take the 230 volts input from this cable. Parallelly we are providing that to the bulb through this electromagnetic relay, and output of this regulated power supply board is 5 volt. So we are distributing that to the electromagnetic relay, one output, and another is to the Arduino Uno board, and from here parallelly we are distributing to the Wi-Fi module. This is the ESP8266 module and buzzer board. So there are the two boards same look like. So each board consists of a buzzer and a transistor. So this transistor is act as a switch in this both boards. So if you want to switch on the buzzer, the Uno board will trigger the transistor, transistor will trigger the buzzer. So here also transistor will be triggered by the microcontroller Uno board and the fan will get switched on. So the supply for the fan and a buzzer is 5 volts directly from this breadboard. So coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced the LDR sensor board at A1 pin and gas sensor at A0 and DHT11 at 10th pin and buzzer at 13th pin and ESP8266 module at pin number 8 and 9 and a fan transistor board at 11th pin and 12th pin for our relay electromagnetic relay board. So coming to this electromagnetic relay board, there we can see same one transistor is present. So here also we are going to switch on the transistor will switch on the relay will switch on the bulb. So this is the triggering process. So control Arduino board to transistor to relay to bulb. So these are the switches switching manner, and this relay board consists of one extra LED will show the status of relay, and there is one more diode IN4007. So the purpose of the diode is whenever the relay is getting on and off, it will provide the back EMF as it's made of copper coil. So any inductor while charging and discharging, it will provide the back EMF. So to neutralize that, so we connected a diode in reverse bias so that the Arduino board will be safe without giving any like a reverse polarity connection current flow. And next, so coming to the LDR, so as we know that LDR nothing but light dependent resistor. Whenever the light fall on this LDR surface, then the resistance will decreases between the two electrodes. So whenever the resistance changes, the voltage changes, and the Arduino Uno will identify that voltage change and will control the bulb. So coming to this gas sensor, inside the gas sensor there is a heater. Whenever the gas content is entered into this combustible sensor module, then automatically it will identify that, then the parallelly the resistance varies. Same manner again the Arduino Uno will get the variable voltage. So continuously we are going to send the same data to the Thingspeak cloud platform. So before switching on this kit, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So for that, go to hotspot settings of your phone and change the hotspot name to project 4981 without any space, without any capital letter, and the password should be 129. So enable the hotspot and data, that's very important. So if you miss any character, then the system won't work. So now these are the previous values which we have tested. So now you can switch on the cage. So once we switch on the cage, then the system will connect to the Wi-Fi network, and then buzzer will be on and off 2 times. It's indicated the system is started working. So there we can see one device is connected. Right. So there we can see the one device is connected now. And now you can go to the Thingspeak cloud platform.